We are traders. It's in our DNA. It's more than a feeling.
Hello. So today we shall be catching spikes. So today we shall be catching spikes. And oh my goodness. What is this happening? Like I'm about to give you a signal and then it is spikes. What the fuck? Oh, boom 500. You're also expecting a spike from this market. And stop loss is 7 candles from now. So basically, if you are to count 7 candles, $48.96. So at 65.04 is our stop loss. 65.04. So enter a spike boom 500. So this is our stop loss. You can comment on anything you'd like us to check. Tata, I can see you're saying hi. Spikes. Okay, I'm in. Also, we can try this with a very tight stop loss. Crash 900, I mean, with a very tight stop loss of 5 candles. A spike down with a stop loss of 5 candles. It is not a very high probability trade, but it is also given as a signal. Remember this one we said 6504. Crash 500, crash 900, we give it 9 candles. I mean 5 candles. One, two, three. Three more candles and we get out of crash 900. We can always have a re-entry later. remember to follow the rules. Remember, you're gonna follow the rules. Boom 500, we're about to get out and wait the next time we are having the spike. So in the next 3 minutes, we can be closing our position in boom 500. Also this one I'm seeing 1 2 3 4 5, because the more you hold, the more or you fail to follow the rules. At the end of the day, it will be bad for you. So this one, I'm just giving it 2 more candles from here. I'm closing it. Same to this. 1 2 3 4 5. Stop loss was 5 candles, and I said it was not a high probability spike. Unlike boom 500, boom 500 is a high probability, a very high probability. But nevertheless, I'll get out. I'll get out and have a re-entry. So 2 more minutes and I'm out. Boom 500 is like stopped out, and that I said to get, for me, I'm getting out after the next one candle, just giving it a 1 candle bonus. But remember, most importantly is following the rules. Also this crash 900, you should exit. So I said I'm just giving it 2 candle extension only. But I feel like this market gets manipulated all the time, and you have to learn. Like this one now is a spike. This was supposed to be a spike, the one the system saw, but you see what it have done. So maybe they now decide to manipulate, and that is why always follow the system, because our next re-entry is soon. We are having the next re-entry in the next 11 candles according to the blueprint system. If in the next 11 minutes the boom 500, I actually pray for that in the next 15 minutes, in the next, not 15, 10 minutes, boom 500 don't spike. If it doesn't spike on the next 10 minutes, I'm entering again. I'm entering a re-entry, but for now I get out and see what do the Reef want to do with this. Because this is what is happening. If you check this on 30 minutes time frame, or you go to 1 hour, or even higher than that. By the way, this is important. You should listen to this. Listen to this, because these are the tricks and tips that basically they help you so much if you can actually follow them. You see, I want you to see the 4-hour chart of boom 500. In and around this zone, we have a very strong area of interest, and to which this area, you can see it backed by the blue. Most of the traders, because of this zone, they're expecting something like that. Maybe buys, you enter buys here and wait for the take profit around this zone. So what maybe we can happen here is a manipulation. What we may see is it comes, stops everybody out, and that is why it's important to follow the system. And then back. So if now it doesn't, and a good example to show you that is this. You should also be able to even see something small like this. Do you see this? This is where we were expecting the blueprint system to give us a spike here. And due to the fact that there is a small spike around that zone, there's a small spike around that zone, it truly tells us that indeed there was supposed to be a spike. That reaction was real. There was supposed to be a spike here and we enter our position. But for now, let's wait for the next re-entry and let's hope that it doesn't spike again. It continues like this without the spike until the next entry for the blueprint system. For now, we don't have an entry in boom 500. We are out. And that way is the way you start. But then if there's one thing I always see, when I'm live trading with you guys, it's not like I've prepared in advance about the market. It's not like I've prepared in advance about the market and know that like you see, when you have something that is recorded, I may only record and give you the winning trades. But for me, I'm coming here to show you how exactly now trading is. Like, how do you trade in the real markets? How do you now think about it? And the most thing that I insist on is actually following the strategies. For example, we are out in crash 900 and we are out in boom 500 until the next entry point. Until the next entry point. So discipline is important, because I'm quite sure that if a trade like this gets you in the market and you are waiting for the spike, this becomes one of the trade that makes you to lose a lot of money, because this is what you do. Once our stop loss was given by the blueprint system, let me show you. This is where we entered the trade. 6 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the only loss. Very small, a very small distance, waiting for the spike up. You see, you're waiting for something like that. Do you see the small distance? Risk management, that is the distance that we were to take as our stop loss. Now that you extend it to this, just see that you extend it to this, just because you feel this distance is big, like how all this distance at the market hasn't spiked. It will spike, and what happens? You continue adding positions, and it is good that not for something example like this, you continue adding position. So at the before you realize, you are either your account is gone, or you are in deep process. But when you are following and journaling, let's say now I had screenshotted this and written a journal about and write about a journal. I would say I entered according to the blueprint system. I entered a sell. I had a stop loss of 5 candles, 1 2 3 4 5. I added one more candle to this, and it did not spike. The market did not spike, and obviously, because the blueprint system, how there must be something that was happening, and that is why it didn't spike. And to see that, on boom 500 there was some kind of reaction to show that there was a spike to be around at that zone, and with that you actually now start seeing market in a smaller dimension. In the next 3 minutes we shall enter another spike. In the next 3 minutes we can have another entry. Don't enter now, in the next 3 minutes, to catch another spike. So this is an entry. Instead of holding one position and you get in huge losses from this area, another 10 candles in losses, just get a re-entry later. And even that re-entry, if it doesn't spike within the re-entry within the given period, you stop it. You get out again. Remember, you're following the blueprint system, and to be profitable you have to follow it. You have to follow it. You have to follow the take profit and the stop loss rule and everything in accordance. So I'm seeing we have another like 2 minutes to get a re-entry, or 2 to 3 minutes to get a re-entry in this market. But by now you have seen that what it would have saved you by actually exiting. Nobody is on the live. Nobody is commenting. Or because we started with this, or there is a lot of noise. I don't understand. Hello? Nobody is on the live. Nobody is commenting. Oh my god. How do I I'll find a solution for the background noise soon. We can have our entries now. Now see what it will have saved you. From this area over here. Now a re-entry is viable now, but remember with the blueprint system, it gives you adjustment as we continue. Now what we see is that the stop loss now is a little bit longer, so it depends with your account now. So but let's see what it have saved you. All this right now, if you had overrisked, you could be panicking from here up to this area. So now we get a re-entry in both market. We can now get a re-entry there. So a re-entry, and there we go. Do you see? Like, I hope you are learning something. Also in Crash 900 we should be getting a re-entry. Are you learning something about how to trade boom and crash? I said catching spike is actually hard than the others. It's a small spike, but it shows that now. So sometimes you get spikes like this. This was an exact spike. The moment I said now we have a re-entry, there we go, we get a spike. I don't know whether you are having what your network slow. You can also try Crash 900. We have a re-entry. We also have a re-entry in Crash 900, and there is a small spike. And this small spike have a story. I'll tell you about small spikes. when the market have a very long trend, then we have a small spike. With the blueprint system, there is something we talked about, that there is something it usually shows. When we have that, the manipulation will either end or continue, and if it continues, it will continue for a very long time. So this one, after this small spike, you may find that the market may decide to have another area like this. Crash 900, and now you can't say crash 900 I didn't give you, and now it is on a sniper entry. So if now you have recovered all your money, if you had entered the first crash 900, and if you continue holding, it was a total mess. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? And I was talking about crash 900. Somebody who has now made some profits in crash 900 because it has given us a good spike, right at the area that we said we can have early entry, right exactly at that point. Also, boom 500, it's not like we are done. It's not like boom 500 we are done. We are still holding until I'll tell you until when the blueprint system says. So Tata, you missed the set, but at least I'm giving you an what am I talking about? A perspective of I said, if you now would like me to
a wise man once said,
crash 300. What am I talking about? Sometimes, but there was a signal for crash 300, and if you can see, I had said it. Only now I know that one you didn't enter. Okay, with time we shall get good signals, and we shall catch them before they happen. Boom 500, I had told you we are not exiting until we got this, and that is how you trade. Have that inspired you? And have you understood like what we do? Are you seeing like whatever me, and the most reason I like live trading is that you can get like a real account like of whatever is happening. And next year I would like to have like a kind of live trading on Google Meet. A kind of live trading on Google Meet for those who will be interested, like we be trading together. So you can exit now boom 500. So I want to try another one more signal right now. That is crash 1000. Stop loss is 10 candles from now. But the good thing with crash 1000 is that it doesn't have a lot of it is not so much volatile. So we shall wait for the spike in the next 10 candles. Hello. 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 Oh, okay. I thought you didn't join. I didn't understand why. Let me send you another link for now. Right now, just right now, and let us discuss it there. Let us discuss it there. Where I'll send you the link. We have said we are waiting for 9 candles. Crash 900. That is just crash 1000 alone. That is the one we are having. No other market is having a trade signal right now. Nothing from boom 1000, boom 300, boom 500, boom 900, crash. None, but at least the other market we had signals. And there's somebody I'm coaching on binary, how to use the blueprint system on binary trading. So I'll end the live, and I'll be live, but I'll change the topic of discussion to binary using the blueprint system. And okay, we can come and catch the spikes later in the day, because well, we were supposed to have a meeting earlier on, but he was experiencing some network issues. So that is what if you I don't recommend, if you have been good with this, it's not that very good to go back to binary, but you can come and see what we do. We are just using the same strategy of the blueprint system. So where we shall be going on a lower time frame, of course it's not on boom and crash, it is on the volatilities. We shall be using the blueprint system on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, in short, what I wanted to say is that just know you have a powerful system that can be used on many different ways. So follow back that crash 900, crash 1000. It should spike within 10 candles as a stop loss. 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 more candles. If not spiked by then, just exit the market. So let me know what you think, and go follow me on TikTok. And we're just ending this live.